How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Instagram story on your WhatsApp status. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you have already posted a story on Instagram. And once that's done, simply tap on your profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And once you do that, you'll open your stories. And once you're inside the stories, simply choose the story that you want to share. And after that, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the menu that pops up, simply tap on share to access the sharing option. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, scroll through the options and tap on WhatsApp. And after that, WhatsApp will automatically open. Now here, simply tap on My Status at the top and then click Next. And after that, you will see a preview of the link to your Instagram story. So simply tap on the send button in the bottom right corner and you are done. And that's how you can easily share your Instagram story on your WhatsApp status. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.